Jai Jagat, dear audience, I'm Shah Umar, the student coordinator of The Voices. Welcome to the 13th episode of The Voices, where Jaya Devedi, an intern at The Voices team, is going to be involved in a conversation with Mr. Harsh Baba. He leads the CMS Vishwa Voice radio program. I assure you that watching this podcast is going to benefit you immensely. Please watch this outstanding episode from the starting till the end.
Jai Jagat, dear listeners, today we have with us Harsh Pava sir, the lead of the CMS Vishwa Voice students broadcast. Sir is one of the most famous voices of our school. Sir, it's a pleasure to have you here with us. I would begin by asking, how did we come up with the idea of a school radio? It's something that not any school is offering, as long as I am aware. So how did this idea bloom into such a wonderful community of students and teachers?
See, as we know that CMS management, they are visionary.
Yes, sir.
So our respected Dr. Jagdish Gandhi sir, he visioned about, some communication tool which has to be for the students exclusively.
Yes, sir.
So the radio and the television. So the radio came in his mind and they applied for this radio and they got the radio license for two stations. Like one is at Gomti Nagar and one is at Kanpur Road.
Kanpur Road.
So this was the thing where how we got this radio station.
Sir, secondly, how did this love for speaking, for sharing your ideas, how did it all start? Any story from your school day which you can fondly remember and you feel like, yeah, this is where it clicked in, that I want to do something, such as speaking or any other thing. So what was that event?
In fact, I must unfold here that I was in CMS.
Oh,
I started my CMS journey from class KG from RDSO campus, and my mother was teacher there.
okay, sir.
So, as you know, my interest was in radio, television, and debates.
Yes, sir.
So, from my childhood, I was just observing my teachers of CMS, City Montessori School. They were very good orators.
Yes,
They,
sir.
whatever the topic, they speak so well.
Yes, sir.
So, I was inspired by them. Then I tried to, jump into this field of communication, masses, media, and all. And I started making small audio clips while it was the era of audio cassettes.
Yeah.
Then, fortunately, I got selected in All India Radio
Oh,
and then some big channel of FM radio. Then the journey was started because my aim was just to do something creative.
yes, sir.
And it is very interesting that how did I get into CMS radio. I'll definitely share it with you.
Yeah, so we'd love to hear about it.
I was working with some other channel which is a
Yes, sir.
very quite popular channel in Lucknow.
Yes, sir.
So during this period, I came to meet with Mr. Kurian, Mr. V. Kurian, who was here in multimedia head of Community Radio Center.
Okay,
So
sir.
he offered me, why don't you make a program for us? I said, okay. So it was a challenge for me.
Yes, sir.
So I made a very innovative program, and that program got the national award from Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. So it was a miracle.
Yes, sir.
Then our founder director, respected Dr. Bharti Gandhi ma'am, she called me up and she said, "You are from CMS. Your mother was in CMS. Why don't you join our radio station?"
Yes, sir.
So I said, "Okay, it will be a great pleasure for me." And I came in the boundaries of CMS, in the
Yes, sir.
campus of CMS. I started CMS journey.
Yes, sir.
And one more important thing, which I don't know whether you believe on miracles or not, but yes, next year again, Mr. Kurian asked me, and you have to make one more program this year. We are sending one entry
Yes, sir.
to Government of India.
Yes, sir.
So I made two programs. Those two programs got again national award. So it was some signal from the God.
Yes, sir.
I thought that I should proceed in this field only.
Yes, sir.
then I went to Dr. Respected Bharti Gandhi ma'am, which is my inspiration, and she said, Harsh, you just give your 100% to CMS. So I left all the other, work and channels, and I started my journey with CMS Radio.
Yes, sir. Sir, secondly, we all know that in order to get our audios, on the broadcast, we share our audios with our respective radio coordinators, and that's how the process goes along. So once you get our audios, what's the process then? We are very curious to know. So how does our audios are broadcasted finally? What's the efforts that go behind? Some edits are made. So how do you go about that, sir?
Okay, great. See, again, I'll tell how CMS Wish Voice started.
Yes, sir.
It was COVID period and
Yes, sir.
lockdown was there.
Yes, sir.
So we were at home.
Yes, sir.
So as per my nature, I was trying something new, something new, something new daily. So what did I came to know that I can record someone through telephone, through mobile phone.
Yes, sir.
Then I called up my respected founder manager, Dr. Gandhi sir, and said, "Sir, I want to record you for
Yes, sir.
radio." He said, "Okay, is it possible through phone?" I said, "Yes, sir. Kindly please spare 2 minutes phone." So I recorded him, and then that broadcasted on CMS radio next day.
Yes, sir.
So respected Gandhi sir was, said, "Why don't you start doing this on a regular basis
Yes, sir.
with the students?"
Yes, sir.
Then CMS Wish Voice,
Yeah, bloomed.
came up,
Yes, sir.
started,
Yes, sir.
and then all the radio coordinators of all the campuses, we selected management. CMS selected few radio coordinators in all the campuses, in your campus also,
Yes, sir.
and then the journey of CMS Wish Voice started. So then I came to know how to make it more interesting
Yes, sir.
for the students, by the students, for the audience. So I thought, let us work on this.
Yes, sir.
So I started covering all the festivals, all the days,
Yes, sir.
then all the achievements of students, all the toppers.
Yes, sir.
Then we added alumni.
Yes, sir.
So it became, a big journey.
Yes, sir.
लोग मिलते गए, karma बनता गया.
Yes,
So
sir.
it has become a big karma, and this was the dream of our respected Dr. Jagdish Gandhi sir, that radio should be utilized for the students, and it has become a great platform, CMS Wish Voice, for the students. And I tell you, this was conceptualized and even now guided by Professor Geeta Gandhi ma'am,
Yes, sir.
and we are somehow handling it
Yes,
with
sir.
all the support of radio coordinator.
Yes, sir. Sir, as we are aware that every month we're given a list of few topics. One topic that stays similar is about how peace and unity greatly affect the world.
Yes.
So, sir, why is it so? And we know that our school's core values are based on peace and bringing about unity in the world. So, how did this idea come up that let's take it as a topic? And which is your personal favorite entry on the same topic? We would love to hear.
See, if there is no peace, there is nothing.
Yes, sir.
First, like if there is no light, we cannot see.
Yes, sir.
So peace is the main motto and mission of CMS.
Yes, sir.
So first, this was the reason I made it the regular,
Yes,
feature.
sir.
And the very interesting question you asked, that what was the interesting
Yeah.
entry on this?
Yeah.
So the most interesting entry was from your campus only. I am forgetting the name of student. I am so sorry.
It's okay.
But yes, she explained why peace, and what is peace, and how we get peace.
Yes, sir.
So that is we are making it regular,
Yes, sir.
our feature.
Sir, as you mentioned in one of your answers, that you always wanted to do something creative. So, sir, what would be your message, your personal message to all those students out there who have some creative pursuit? What would you say to them? What would be your take on the same?
This is the golden era for creative people,
Yes, sir.
because you don't have to go somewhere to show your creativity.
Yes, sir.
You make it, put it, upload it, and people are watching it.
Yes, sir.
So this is the great time, and my message for the students is that this is again a very important and strong tool for
Yes, sir.
masses. You can change the world as you are in CMS,
Yes, sir.
and you are working for the peace.
Yes,
I know
sir.
that you are studying here and your targets are becoming some IAS officer or doctor or something else. But yes, if peace is not there, then nothing is there. So you can create your own programs. You can attend your radio workshops, which I am organizing on behalf of CMS Wish Voice. And yes, the good messages are required in every era. Every era is having black and white, so try to be white.
Yes, sir.
And students are so the citizens of tomorrow, the world citizens. And this time you don't have the boundaries. Your voice can cross all the boundaries of all the world through internet, Google, and other social media. So my message: create good, create inspiring, and do creative.
Yes, sir. Sir, for our last question, how do you think that in this ever-evolving landscape of, mobiles and all of these, new devices, how do you think that radio still stands out as a means of communication and bringing forth our ideas?
True. See, this is a very good question.
Yes, sir.
Why radio
Yes, sir.
when we have television,
Yes, sir.
when we have other social media?
Yes, sir.
See, the radio is the medium
Yes, sir.
which you can listen while you're driving,
Yes, sir.
which your mother can listen while she's cooking
Okay.
food. It can be listened anywhere, anytime, without even electricity.
Yes, sir.
You can have in your mobile phone,
Yes,
and you
sir.
can listen. If you don't have mobile phone, in the villages, the people are listening by transistors,
Yes.
the small radio sets.
Yes, sir.
So radio cannot be banished,
Yes,
first
sir.
of all. Second, important, why it is surviving, because now the technology is changed. This is on the frequency modulation.
Yes,
So
sir.
the quality of audio, the clarity of audio, the stereophonic sound,
Yes,
the
sir.
digital impact and effects, which previously we were not getting
Yes, sir.
on medium waves and other waves. So we are getting from radio.
Yes, sir.
And third is, radio is cannot be replaced by any medium.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much, sir. It was great to have you here.
Thank you.
sir.
Jai
Thank you.
Jagat.
Jai
Thank you.
Jagat.
Jai Jagat.
So, audience, I hope that you all enjoyed this podcast a lot. And if yes, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to The Voices. This is me, Shah Umar, signing out.